Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, Watchmaker in the Netherlands and the home stretch. The book will be here within the 2 weeks and we are now making 138 videos. As you know, the book is a text and that is maybe a bit factual, even though it's with all the personal experiences, but the accompanying videos are giving a bit more depth, nuance, you know what I mean. So we are filming here in the chair, if it's a bit more personal, on the table, and of course behind the bench, the polishing, in the polishing room. We got a full section on polishing and finishing, everything is there. And of course near the tools and how to repair watches, how to find defects, everything is in there. Well, the book is being printed, so here is for me the script. I printed the book and I made a script for every accompanying video with each chapter in each section. So, well, first preview, it is just all there. Beautiful pictures by Sonia. So at least 80 videos to go, but we get there. And already, and that is amazing, first edition, 1200 books sold, and I think we're going near 60 countries where it's been sold. That is amazing, because it's all based on trust. The book is being printed, nobody's seen it, even we haven't seen it yet, but we do within the 2 weeks, and it's all based on trust, and that is so incredibly nice. And everybody who buys the first edition get a little something extra, a nice surprise with the book. So I am going to continue with the videos, and maybe you see the new edition there. In the coming videos I will be telling a bit more about that, because that is really exciting for me as a watchmaker. Maybe you see it. What's in there, it's world class. All of you, thank you so much for your attention. I'm off, well, at least to in the night with the videos, and I am sure you're going to enjoy the book. And after that, next week I'm on holiday with my daughter, just a few days to Heidelberg. Love it over there. And after that, the book is there, the videos are finally finished. Then we can focus on watchmaking again, finally. Thank you so much for your trust and support and your patience. And we are working to make the best watchmaking book possible. All of you, thank you so much. See ya. Bye-bye.